Okay, this is a video of a 1981 Toyota Celica ST 5-speed Sunchaser. The car has 80,000 miles. This car is 100% original paint. No paintwork anywhere on it. It runs perfect, shifts perfect, drives perfect. AC is ice cold. Every single part of the interior, all the badges, all the numbers, original inner fender wells, original radiator core support, original paint. None of those screws have ever been tampered with. No fenders have ever been off. The car runs perfect, doesn't blow any white smoke. It's never been detailed. This is how you want to buy one of these cars. No rust, no bubbles, no nothing, no nowhere. Beautiful down the sides, excellent rubber. The top looks like it's never been touched. It looks absolutely fabulous. Even the glass back window looks like it doesn't even have any fog in it or anything. Go inside real quick. Original interior, nothing's ever been reupholstered. No cracks in the dash. Unbelievable. Couple door dings right there. Beautiful. '80 Sunchaser. Perfect oil pressure, perfect volts, not overheating, quarter tank of gas. Little tear in the seat right there. 80,323 miles. Two owner car. First owner till 1981, and the last owners owned it from 81 all the way to 2018. Unbelievable. And the original boot in the back there. And then let me open up the trunk. The trunk has that black thing that you put the target top in. There's that. Looks like they've done some brakes. Looks like a new master cylinder, so general maintenance has been done. Wow. And no rust anywhere. Nowhere, anywhere. Okay. Somebody's going to be really happy with this.